Patrick at Pals. And folks, we're continuing on with the Ram pickup truck, rebuilding the differential and the rear brakes. The front brakes are done on the truck now, and we're waiting for a carrier to come in for the differential. You know, folks, a lot of times you want to buy, folks will want to buy a used differential. And you know, when you get a used differential, it comes out of a salvage yard, it's usually not in great shape. The best thing you can do is rebuild the one that you've got. You're going to get a much better product. And it's going to be less expensive than a remanufactured unit. We have the ability to rebuild differentials here at Pals. Gives the customer a better situation than buying a used part or spending the money to buy a remanufactured part. We remanufacture it in-house, and it works much better for a lesser cost. If you've got a differential and you're having problems with it, bring it to Pals. See you soon.